Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Aided Analysis Laboratory. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain step-by-step solution of rectangular plate with hole in ANSYS 19.2 Mechanical APDL on Windows 10 platform. The experiment number is 5, name of the job is rectangular plate with hole. The objective of the experiment is to determine stress distribution in rectangular plate with a circular hole at center subjected to plane stress condition. Here the given diagram is rectangular plate with a circular hole. This rectangular plate length is 200 mm, height is 100 mm, circle diameter is 60 mm. To convert into meters, this rectangular plate, one end is fixed and other end having some pressure is there, that is 200 megapascal. To convert into Newton per meter square. Now open ANSYS 19.2. So go to start button, ANSYS 19.2. In there choose ANSYS Mechanical APDL 19.2. Now click on this Mechanical APDL 19.2. It is open like this one. For solving any problem, you need to follow these 3 steps. Go to the utility menu, file, clear and start new. Here you have to choose do not read file, then click on OK. Here one more window is open. In that you have to choose click on yes. The second step is file, change job name. Here the job name is rectangular plate with hole. You can type here rectangular plate with the hole. Then click on OK. The third step is file, change title. Here the problem is related to two-dimensional problem, so you can type here 2D static analysis. Then click on OK. In the main menu, see the first step preferences, structural, then click on OK. Second step preprocessor, element type, add or edit or delete. Now click on add. In that the problem is related to solid, choose solid, quad, 4 node, 182. If you have any doubt, go to the click on help. You can see the details. Then click on OK. Now again in this window element type, click on options. In that element behavior, change from plane stress to plane stress with thickness. Then click on OK. Now close this window. Go to the real constants, add or edit or delete. Now click on add. Now I can click on OK. Here one more window is open, that enter the thickness. Let us assume the thickness of the plate is 10 mm. To convert into meters, 0.01 meters. Then click on OK. Now close this window. Next go to the material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. Enter the Young's modulus. Here Young's modulus is not given. Let us assume 200 gigapascal, 200 E9. Poisson ratio is also not given. Let us assume 0.3. Then click on OK. Now close this window. Next go to the modeling, create areas, rectangle by center and corner. Here WPX is 0, WPY 0, width is length or width is 200 mm. To convert into meters, 0.2 meters, height is 100 mm. To convert into meters, 0.1 meters. Then click on OK. Here the rectangular plate is created. Now at the center you have to create one solid circle. For that purpose go to circle, solid circle. WPX is 0, WPY is 0, radius is 60 mm diameter, so radius is 30 mm. You can enter into convert into meters, 0.030. Then click on OK. The next step is you have to subtract the circle from that rectangle. So go to the operate, boolean operations, subtract areas, select this rectangle. Here multiple entities window is open. In that pick area 1, then click on OK. Now click on OK. The second area is circle. You have to remove this circle from the rectangle, so that's why choose the circle. Here multiple entities window is open. Here click on next. See here picked area is 2. Then click on OK. Now click on OK. Now the circle portion is removed from that rectangle. The next step is meshing. Go to the meshing, mesh tool, choose smart size. Here I'm choosing 6 to 3. Then here the different mesh elements are there: triangle, quadrant. Here I'm choosing quadrant. In the previous solution I have chosen that triangle. Now in this solution I'm choosing quad. Then click on mesh, select this area. Now click on OK. Now that area is divided into small elements, that is called meshing. Now close that mesh window. The next step is loads. Apply the loads. Go to the loads, analysis type, new analysis, static analysis, OK. Define loads, apply loads, structural, displacement, on nodes. Now pick all left side nodes just by using your mouse. In that window, choose box type. Select this area, left side elements. Then click on OK. All DOF. Then click on OK. Next, go to the pressure, on nodes. Choose box. Here also choose right side nodes, right edge nodes. Then click on OK. The pressure value is 200 megapascal, 200 E6. Then click on OK. The next step is solution, solve current LS. Then click on OK. Now the solution is done. Close this window. For seeing different loads, you can go to the list, loads, surfaces on all nodes. You can see the different loads in this window. Then close this window. The next step is general post processor. Plot results, contour plot, element solution, stress, x component of stress. Then click on OK. You can capture this image. Okay, for capturing this image, go to the report generator, append OK. Now capture this image. This image name is element solution for stress. Element solution, that is stress. X component, component. Then click on OK. Next again element solution, stress. In the choose own misses stresses. OK. Now also capture this image. This is the own misses stresses. Own misses SES stresses. Then click on OK. Next go to the line element results. Or not this one. Go to the list results, element solution, stress, x component. Then click on OK. You can note on these values. In your LMRB. Close this one. Next go to the element solution, own misses stresses. Then click on OK. You can also note on these values in your LMRB. uh, finally you have to generate you have to assemble those report assembler. Click on HTML report assembler. uh, Report heading is title is 2D static analysis. 2D static analysis. Static analysis LYSS. Author name is, type your name, Sri V Rakesh. Subtitle is rectangular plate with hole. Rectangular plate with circular hole. Then click on OK. Next, add these images. You can also capture free body diagram for this problem. In that I have not captured that image, so don't worry. First you need to capture that image. Next, capture this stress in X component, stress in one mesh stresses. You know that. Next, click on preview. Okay, due to compatible issue, it is not opening. Just you can go to your folder, that is ANSYS 2024, that is rectangular plate with circular hole. Now open HTML file. Now convert into this file into PDF. Control P. Okay, it's showing 2 pages, so you can take pages per sheet is 2. You can also take like this. Then click on preview, give the file name and convert into PDF format. Then click on save. You can also see the animation for this problem. Go to the plot controls, animate, deformed shape, deform place, undeformed shape. Then click on OK. You can see the different animations in this ANSYS software. I hope this solution is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates. You can also refer one more problem that is available in my CA Lab playlist for more information.